Hey guys, welcome back to SoCal Expeditions. My name is Bijan, and today we're going to be taking a look at the LavaBox by Fire Anytime. I just reviewed the FireCube by Outland Living, and I thought I found the perfect fire pit for my travels. But then Josh at Fire Anytime reached out to me and said, hey, we might have something you really like. And there's one big difference between this thing and the Outland Living, and it's that this puts out over double the amount of BTUs. I'm going to show you what that looks like. It's a pretty significant difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stick around to take a look at the first propane fire pit in an ammo can. One of my favorite parts about the LavaBox is that it's a US made product. Josh and his wife put these together in their garage and then ship them out. It's pretty cool seeing something handmade, especially in today's world. The box itself is a 50 cal ammo box, which is rad. It's super small, there's tons of mounting solutions for it, and it gets this beautiful patina over time. I've only been using this for a couple fires so far just to make sure everything's good to go, but the color is looking outstanding already. With a purchase of a LavaBox, you're going to get a few additional items: the regulator and hose, 10 Hadestones, a long lighter, and a pyromaniac vibe. I'm 5'10", and this flame at 120,000 BTUs is coming right up to my waist. This is extremely impressive coming out of an ammo can. That being said, at 120,000 BTUs, you're going to be chewing through your propane tank pretty quick. So let's turn this down and talk about the things that I really like about it for someone who's like me, solo traveling around or with just a couple close buddies. As I stated in my previous video, most of these fire pits have the tendency to make this constant hissing sound. With this one, there is no hissing sound at all coming from the actual unit itself. When fully turned up, you can hear just a slight noise coming from the regulator, making sure that it's not putting out too much of a flame that's going to blow your face off. One of the qualities about this fire pit that I really like is that there's not any parts to really break on it. It's an ammo can. You could beat it up, you could throw it off a cliff, and it would probably still work. What separates this fire pit from the rest is it comes with a lifetime warranty, so even if something does go wrong, Josh has your back as long as you didn't purposely try and destroy it. The more that you use the fire pit, the more that it patinas. And there's nothing cooler to me than a patinaed, rusted over fire pit with a lot of stories that it's been around for. I've been outside for about 5 hours now, going between the LavaBox and the FireCube, moving the propane tanks, trying to figure out which one I prefer more. And I think I've hit the point where I realize that not one is greater than the other. They both have their own strengths as well as their own weaknesses. Let's start with the LavaBox. The strengths of it are that it's virtually unbreakable. It's made out of an ammo can. It's going to patina beautifully. It has a lifetime warranty. It puts out 120,000 BTUs when turned all the way up. That's pretty great. The price is not much higher than the Outland Living 14-inch FireCube, but the only weakness that I see is that I still feel like at 58,000 BTUs versus 58,000 BTUs, I'm trying to do my best here in comparison. In terms of flame size, I feel like the Outland Living is warmer. I feel like it does put out more heat. And that might be because it is 14 inches and just a lot bigger and has more lava rocks. So maybe if this LavaBox had more lava rocks in it, it would also retain more heat and be warmer. But that I don't know. And the Outland Living has its own cons. It's kind of has proprietary parts on it. It's things that just can't easily be replaced. I don't believe it has a lifetime warranty either. So if you were to break it, what are you going to do? But other than that, I think that they both have their own categories that they should go in. If you're a solo traveler, you got a couple buddies with you, or you just want something unique, cool, and that's going to age well over time, I don't think you can beat the LavaBox. And if you want something where maybe it's better suited for a home or bigger groups, the Outland Living is great too. So just pick your poison. They're both great. I do want to say this though. Only one of these is made in the USA, and it is definitely not the Outland Living. That one is made in China. So if you want to support US-made goods, you want to support a family, you want to support a couple, there's only one way to do it, and that would be going with the LavaBox from Fire Anytime. And again, I'm not sponsored to say any of this. I did receive this item for free, but I do believe in supporting US made products, and I will be purchasing the stand from them so that I can get this thing off the ground as well as cooking on top of it. I'm keeping this one and keeping that one because I just can't find which one's gonna suit me better over time. So I'm gonna keep both and continue to use them and love them. And hey, when this thing patina's over and looks beautiful, I'll make sure to post a picture and let you guys know how it's doing then. I know that Josh has a ton more of these ammo cans rolling in because right now they're out of stock, but once they do, you're gonna see a lot of these LavaBoxes rolling out. There's a lot of people who are anxious to buy one because, you know, these things are pretty dang rad. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and stay up to date with all the future videos. And remember, only one of the fire pits does this. Pretty damn cool. Peace. And remember, only one of them does this. Oh, shit.